Well, now to your local election headquarters, where a bill to make Louisiana's abortion laws among the strictest in the country is gaining some steam at the Capitol. State senators today granted the proposal its first legislative win. Local 33's Harrison Golden is here now to explain what comes next and some hurdles that lie ahead. Harrison?
John, good evening to you. With the Senate Judiciary panel's support today, the bill heads now to the full Senate chamber. Its sponsor, Democratic State Senator John Milkovisch, one of the legislature's more conservative Democrats, says if a fetus has a detectable heartbeat, nobody should abort it.
We are still the same people today on April 30th, 2019 that we were when 23 chromosomes of our father united with the 23 chromosomes of our mother.
The same lawmaker who drafted a bill last year to ban abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy is going one step further. His supporters back again this year to intensify their case.
We're not protecting these women or children at abortion clinics. These are butcher shops. And they've gotten away with this for 46 years.
The ban would not apply to abortions done to prevent a woman's bodily harm, though women pregnant as the result of rape or incest would not be exempt.
Mistreatment of a woman is wrong, and I don't believe that it's rectified by killing the baby.
There is no doubt that this bill is unconstitutional.
Critics claim the so-called heartbeat bill would not hold up in court, saying women rarely even know they're pregnant the first time a heartbeat forms. Doctors say that's typically around the 6th week of pregnancy, though some anti-abortion advocates claim it's sooner.
No court has ever upheld a pre-viability ban.
That's why senators amended the bill, so a ban would only take effect if a federal appeals court upholds a similar law in Mississippi. Passage by the full Senate would bring this legislation to a state house that's historically against abortion. While the same Senate Judiciary panel that took up that proposed abortion ban also advanced a constitutional amendment to end Louisiana's death penalty. Baton Rouge Republican Senator Dan Claytor's bill also heads next to the Senate floor. It would eliminate capital punishment for crimes committed in 2021 or later. Similar bills, though, have faltered in the House in recent years. But if the two-thirds majorities in both legislative chambers grant their support, that proposal would go to a vote of the people on Election Day 2020. For your local election headquarters, I'm Harrison Golden.